Welcome to another TechRMI video. My name's Nicole, and today we're going to show you how our connected repair manuals are going to improve your workshop's operational efficiency. Imagine you need to remove the turbocharger on a vehicle such as this BMW. With TechRMI's connected repair manuals, you don't just get the instructions to remove the turbocharger, you also get the necessary steps to remove related components, such as this air filter housing, for example, the catalytic converter, transfer housing, etc., because it's all part of the same job. This interconnected approach ensures you have all the necessary information in one place, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Our repair manuals provide step-by-step instructions, complete with detailed illustrations, tightening torques, and special tools. Whether it's timing belt installation, ADAS calibration, or moving interior panels, TechRMI has you covered. With TechRMI, you get manufacturer-compliant data that ensures every repair is performed to the highest standards, maintaining the integrity of the vehicle and its warranty. This not only boosts your efficiency, but also customer trust and satisfaction. Customers can see that their vehicles are being maintained with the utmost care and precision. Discover the power of TechRMI's connected repair manuals. Visit techalliance.net to learn more and transform your workshop today.